唔經唔覺咧，我哋又嚟到日日都咁講，日日都咁講咩啊？日日都咁講英文。第10堂 Lesson 10。好啦，今日又搞啲 E、D、C、B、A 倒數。咁每個字母代表一個簡單詞。E 就係 easy。E-A-S-Y easy 即係好容易咁解。D 係代表直接 direct D-I-R-E-C-T direct 直接咁解。C 係代表 clear 清楚嘅 clear 咧 C-L-E-A-R。然後到 B 咯，B 係代表簡短 brief B-R-I-E-F brief。 A 咧我哋最熟悉噶啦，以前就 A for apple， 今次我轉咗一個字就 A for apply A-P-P-L-Y 係應用咁解。咁啊點樣講落去咧？稍微睇下以下噶啦。應用咧，譬如有一句係我要學以致用啊，多啲練習啊，先至會把英文學好嘅。咁個英文係 I need to apply the English I learn to become good at it。 I need to apply the English I learn to become good at it。 咁即係點解啊？我需要 apply A-P-P-L-Y 係應用啊，要日日應用喎。應用咧多啲英文，咁我啲英文先至會好。多啲應用，多啲練習，英文先至會好。個 keyword 就係主要嘅詞就係 apply A-P-P-L-Y。 B 咧就係 brief， 就係簡短嘅意思啦。He gave his reasons in brief。 He gave his reasons in brief 嘅意思係咩啊？佢簡短呢個他簡短說明咗佢嘅理由。咁英文嘅他咧有 he 係男人嘅他。我哋又有女人嘅他係 she， 係中國人有個女字邊做個也個他。咁 he gave his reason in brief 咧，呢個字係一個男士咧，好簡單咁說明咗佢嘅理由。咁個 keyword 咧就係 brief 簡單。另外一個新嘅生字咧就 reasons， 係 reason 嘅複數，係理由，即係一啲理由咁解。好啦， C 就係個 C-A-B-C 嘅 C 咧， her explanation is clear and precise。 her 係 he 同埋 her 係個女性咁解。佢解釋得清晰而準確。呢個佢咧係講女性嘅佢嘅，唔係男性，所以唔係用 he， 係用 her H-E-R。 咁 H-E-R 咧 her explanation 就佢嘅解釋。explanation 比較長，你唔好記住佢啦，係個解釋咁解。但係 is clear and precise， 我哋今日學嘅 C 就係 clear C-L-E-A-R。 好啦，繼續落去講個 D 字啦，係講 direct 直接咁解。咁呢句係咩啊？ The president gave a direct response to the reporter's question。 The president 係邊個啊？總統。咁我哋講下啦，因為美國北美洲美國係總統噶，係總統制。咁英國唔係總統制，加拿大都唔係總統制，所以 the president 係指美國總統啦。呢度 gave a direct response to the reporter's question。 direct response 係直接嘅。咁嘅成句嘅例就係總統直接回答咗記者嘅提問。總統直接回答咗記者嘅提問。 direct response respond 係直回答啊，嗰個俾嗰個 係佢嘅回答啊。Direct response 就直接回答。好啦 ，E 咧就 easy 啊，好容易啊。E is easy， 好容易咁解。咁個英文做嘅係 This is a quick and easy meal to cook。This is a quick and easy meal to cook。Quick 係快 ，easy 係容易。咁呢道菜做起嚟咧又快又容易啊！呢道菜做起嚟咧又快又省事。好啦，咁呢度咧就講咗 A、B、C、D、E 啦。咁亦都學咗一啲主要嘅新嘅簡單嘅字啦。好啦，又到今日加01啦。今日加01咧 A 你又記住一個字係 ace 啊 ，ace 啊，我哋打牌嗰啲煙士 ace。B 係 benefit 啊，係一個福利啦嚇，一種福利嚇，或者係一個得益係 benefit。benefit 嚇。C 咁啊讚人聰明喎 clever。C 係講 clever。clever。好啦 ，D 咧係講 dictionary， 咁你要查字典啊嘛，咪 dictionary 咯。係咪 dictionary？ 唔好記住佢點串住啦，聽住 dictionary 就係字典咁解啊。最後 E 就係 excellent， 讚人哋啊，老師讚學生 You are excellent， 好犀利啊，你好叻啊，好優異咁解 excellent。好，咁啊講到呢度啦。咁最後咧講一講話，記唔記得中國有個聯想電腦啊？聯想電腦就叫 Lenovo。個字點嚟嘅咧？其實佢用個 Lenovo 咧 ，LE 咧係佢個當時原有嘅名就係 Legend， 一個傳奇咁嘅意思。LE 佢就喺個 Legend 嗰度咧攞咗個 L 啊，然後咧後來咧 Novo 就加咗個 Novo 咧係拉丁文嚟嘅，係新咁解，係新傳奇咁解。所以 Lenovo 咧加埋一個新傳奇，就變咗一個好嘅品牌名。咁啊，所以咧一直咧都係好流行嘅。好啦，咁啊今日就講完啦，下次再見。我係 Coach Norman， 如果有用咧就打下個鐘仔啊 ，like 同埋 subscribe 分享俾大家，多謝各位。